Hi everyone, my name's Collette Mitrega. Welcome to Colette's tiny Thermi kitchen. So we moved in yesterday and we are just celebrating the fact we've had a settlement on our other property, and I have my little kitchen all sorted and most of the house has actually come together, and it's a really nice cozy little place. Now, one of the things that I absolutely love about my Thermomix is that it's so easy to cook, even when you're super busy unpacking. So about 3.5 hours ago, I popped some meatballs in tomato sauce in the Thermomix using the blade cover, and they've been slow cooking for the last 3.5 hours, I guess. And Andrew and I are just going to sit down and watch a movie and chill out for the rest of the evening. If you haven't made this dish, I really recommend you do. I cooked some pasta in my thermo server, so we all know how to do that. So I'm just going to serve some up with these beautiful, beautiful meatballs. And how's everyone been? Hope good, I hope. It's been so super busy. We're both exhausted. Andrew, you've been on strike a few times because you're so tired, is that right? Okay, so our pasta's down, and let's go and grab some of those gorgeous meatballs to show you. So to cook your spaghetti, etc. in your Thermomix, all you do is you pop it in there, cover it with boiling water, a bit of salt, and leave it for what you would normally cook your pasta for. So really good. How's that timing? Thank you, Thermi. Dinner is ready. So here we have it. I haven't checked this, I hope it's all good, but I've made it many times. It's a beautiful dish. So here we have meatballs in tomato sauce, and I love this recipe because you just start off by popping garlic and oil, and the Thermomix cooks that at high temperature for probably about 5 minutes, and it really flavors everything. You then add your onions, and then again that's sauteed for I think another 5 minutes, so you've got a really great base. Then we add our basics, our mince, some Parmesan cheese has gone into those meatballs, and lots of other goodies. You can actually put in there whatever you want, your herbs, etc.
Yeah, who's that for? How many meatballs are you putting in there?
Well, it looks good. You'll eat all these, and no problem.
Probably.
So see how rich that gravy is? Yum. So there you go, sprinkle that with a lovely bit of Parmesan cheese. That's a cookidoo recipe. This is a TM6 recipe, and I will just cut through one of these little meatballs and show you how beautiful they are. Now normally in a non-moving state, what I would actually do is I would pop some mozzarella cheese in the middle of these, and you really can flavour these. See how gorgeous they are? Yum. I'll put some more sauce on for you. Got them? Yummy. You got parmesan, you got some Worcester sauce, some herbs. Really lovely with the spaghetti and your sauce. So it's another great meal to make. Cooks itself, super quick and easy. So that's what we're having for dinner tonight. Now, while I have you, just a reminder, we have next week our Arabian themed cooking experience coming up. This is a cooking experience, it's not a cooking class. So you need to make sure that you have got a couple of guests coming along, or if you don't have a Thermomix yet and you're curious to find out more, please come along by yourself. Or you need to be a guest of someone that's invited you. So I've got some really great Arabian themed food for you, which is going to be absolutely delicious. So, settlement, Andrew. Cheers, chin chin. I did make a boo-boo when I actually packed, didn't I?
No plates, no glasses, so we got these. Yeah, they'll do for the bubbly.
I packed all our plates, so I've got absolutely no plates. I've got about 2 cups. I was very thorough. They've all been packed in long-term storage, so it might be an excuse to go out shopping and get some more plates. No, Andrew's shaking his head vigilantly. I've got too many plates as it is. Thank you, everyone. I will see you again soon. I think I've got my yogurt making tips coming up very, very soon for you. Have a beautiful evening, and don't forget, reach out if you're thinking about a Thermomix, if you've got some questions. I am a Thermomix consultant and I would love to support you on your journey. Bye everybody. Thanks. Bye. Say bye, Andrew.
Bye-bye.
You put some little parmesan sprinkling on there.
Oh, more parmesan than that.
Oh yeah, that's going to be yummy.